Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Today I just want to show you what we're doing today. This is a Boxster 986 that came in with a power steering leaking. Took me a long time to find the leak, but I eventually found it wasn't actually the pump, it was something else. So, which is a good thing for this customer. Just want to show you today. I'm replacing the spark plug tubes. The O-rings, they're leaking as well. So usually you just get a new one. New plastic with new O-rings on this car here, so that one's leaking already, so causing a oil leak coming down on this side here. So I'm doing all 6 on both sides. At the same time, we took everything apart here. You got the suspensions off. All this is off on this side here. Same on this side here. The suspension, most of the arms and control arms and links and all that. Like that. This one here are off, so we marked it, so we take it off so we don't have to do a realignment. Just want a quick one. See, we're doing the actual spark plug tubes on this side here. They're leaking oil to the bottom as well on the cam cover, so you can see. Yeah, so we got the actual, we took it all apart so to get it rebuilt, and then we're gonna fit it when it's finished, fit it back to the car. The 2 inner boots were already cracked and ripped off on this side here, and the left hand side and right hand side, but the actual, I just saw the inner one is starting to crack as well on both sides, so I decided to do all 4. Otherwise you do the inside and then this one cracks, and then you gotta do the whole job again because the CV boot is already 21 years old. So might as well do all 4 so you don't have to worry about it for a long time. Alright, so that's what we're doing today. So we're gonna get the CV shaft later on, and once we get that, we fit it to the car, pull the suspension. Bit of a pain to do because all the suspension arms going to come off, so you can take the CV boot out properly, the CV shaft out properly, otherwise you'll break it, and then we'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.